Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetarian tom yum soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves to build that signature aromatic base. A good quality vegetable broth is crucial for a rich flavor. For protein, fresh mushrooms and firm tofu are perfect choices, adding great texture and substance to your soup. Now, let's build those incredible flavor layers. Start by bruising your lemongrass stalks and thinly slicing the galangal root. This helps release their fragrant oils. Add these, along with the kaffir lime leaves, to your vegetable broth and simmer gently for at least 15 minutes. This infusion creates a deeply aromatic foundation. Next, introduce your sliced mushrooms and firm tofu, allowing them to cook through in the flavorful liquid. To perfect the taste, it's all about balancing the flavors. Season your soup with vegetarian fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a touch of chili paste. Taste and adjust the spice and sourness until it's just right for you. Remember, tom yum is known for its bold, hot, and sour profile. Finally, ladle your soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick and vibrant color. Your delicious vegetarian tom yum soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot as a comforting meal on its own, or as a flavorful appetizer. For a truly complete and satisfying experience, I highly recommend pairing it with a side of fluffy steamed jasmine rice. It perfectly complements the soup's vibrant flavors. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.